Hello kids, how are you all? Welcome again to Sunny Sky Primary School, lesson 1, Science of Standard 3rd. Lesson 1, what did Poonam see? As I have explained you earlier, what did Poonam see? Poonam was sick. Her mother told to go outside to sleep on cot, and there what happened? Something fell on her cheeks from the tree. What was that? Yes, some mischief by birds. So, kids, what do you see on the tree? Yes, birds, squirrels, monkey. Yes? Okay. Now, she wiped her cheek with the leaf, but it was too sticky. So, where did she go? Near the pond to wipe the cheeks. Yes. Near the pond, what did she see? How many animals? What all animals? Yes, goat grazing the grass, buffalo in the pond, tortoise, frog, and many birds. Yes, I hope you have gone through the chapter very well. Now, it's your exercise part. In this chapter, we have learned about the movements of the animals, how they move, what are the sounds of the animals, where they live. Okay? Now, we will go elaborate ourselves and learn more and more with the exercise part. Okay? Look at this MCQ. Which animal has 8 legs? Which animal has 8 legs? Housefly? No. Mosquito? No. Cockroach? No. Spider? Yes, spider has 8 legs. Okay? Now, which animal has a long tail? Which animal has a long tail? Bat? No. Elephant? Short tail, not a long tail. Buffalo? Yes, buffalo has a long tail. Do the cockroach have a tail? No, cockroach doesn't have tail. Now, which animal lives on tree? Which animal lives on tree? Monkey? Yes, monkey lives on tree. Cat? No. Tiger? No. Deer? No. Okay? Now, which animal crawls and moves forward? Which are the animals that crawls? Snake? Yes. Crocodile? Yes. Lizard on the wall? Yes. Okay. So, rat? No. Scorpio? No. Squirrel? No. Snake? Yes. Snake crawls. Crawls means what? They move with their stomach part. Okay. They crawl. Understood? Now, which animal is seen on the trunks of the trees? Trunks of the trees, the trunk part of the tree. Which animals do you see? Spider? No. Honeybee? No. Ant? Yes. Do you see ants moving on the trunks of the trees? Yes. Ants moves on the trunks of the trees. Cockroach? No. Okay. I hope you got with MCQs. Yes. Now the blanks part. The animal that spins web in the corner of walls is the... Which animal spins web on the corner of the walls? Spider. Yes. This is spider. S-P-I D-E-R. Spider. Okay? Spider spins web in the corner of walls. Okay? Now the second one, the animal that makes burrows near trees is the, which animals make burrows near the trees and which moves on the trunks of the trees? Ants. Ants makes burrows near the trees. Near the trees they make burrows. Burrows is what? They live in the soil. They make their home there. Okay? They stay there. They live there. And move on the trunks of the trees. So the answer is ants. Now, the animal useful for riding in deserts. Which animal is known as the ship of the desert? Camel. Camel is useful for riding in deserts. So the answer is camels. Okay? Now, an elephant drinks water with its trunk. Yes. The answer is trunk. Okay? Elephant drinks water with the help of trunk. Now, the animal that lives both on land and in water makes croak croak sound. Now, which is the animal that makes croak croak sound? We have gone through all the sounds of the animal. Croak croak. Yes, this is rainy season and we see many frogs making croak croak sound. The answer is frog. Okay? Now, the third one is put right or wrong. The cow lives in a forest. Does a cow live in a forest? No. Wrong. Cow doesn't live in forest. It lives in shed. Okay? The camel is known as the ship of desert. Yes, camel is known as the ship of desert. A cockroach has 6 legs. Yes, the cockroach has 6 legs. Now, human beings belong to the mammals category of animals. Yes, we are what? Mammals. We give birth to young ones. Okay? So, we are mammals. Now, all animals eat grass to live. Yes, animals eat grass, okay, to live. That's true. Now, all animals eat grass to live? No, all animals doesn't eat grass. Some animals eat grass and some animals eat other animals to live. Okay, so this is wrong. Now, your question and answer. Which animal Poonam has seen at the pond? Which animals Poonam saw? Goat, tortoise, bird, buffalo, frog at the pond. Okay? Poonam saw goat, tortoise, bird, buffalo, frog at the pond. Now, which animals crawl to move forward? Snake, crocodile and lizard can crawl to move forward. Now, which are the animals that can fly in the sky? Crow, sparrow, dove, parrot, etc. can fly in the sky. Okay? Now, the fourth question. Which animal hop hop and move forward. Which animal hops? Frog, yes. Kangaroo, rabbit, etc. can hop and move forward. They hop and move forward. Now, write the habitats of animals. Habitats of animals is what? Lives on trees, lives in water, okay? Birds, dog, fish, crab, parrot and rabbit. Classify them. Lives on trees. Which are the birds? Yes, birds lives in the tree. And which all? Dog? No. Parrot? Yes, parrot lives on the tree. Now, lives in water. Fish? Yes, fish lives in water. The next, the parrot? No. Rabbit? No. Crab? Yes, crab lives in water. Now, lives in burrow. Rabbit, rabbit lives in burrow. The last one is dog. Lives in house is the dog. Okay. Question 6. Classify the animals given below into group. Which group? The first group and the second group. Animals that drink water with their tongue. Cow, monkey, dog, tiger, fox, buffalo, lion, deer, cat and goat. All the animals are given. You have to classify them into two parts. The animals that drink water with tongue and the animals that drink water with lips. Now see, cat, fox, lion, tiger and deer. These are the animals which drink with the help of tongue. Okay. Now, cow, buffalo, goat, dog and monkey are the animals which drink with the help of lips. Okay. Now, to this question 7, write the name of animals. Which animals? Write the names of the animals that can fly. Which animals can fly? Parrot, crow, sparrow. Okay. Now, animals that can walk. Cow, goat and sheep. Okay. Now, can crawl. Which animals can crawl? Snake, crocodile, lizard. Okay. Animals that can hop. Hop means kangaroo can hop, rabbit and frog. Now, animals which have a tail. Which animals have tail? Cow, horse, monkey. Okay. Now, animals that have horns. Cow, buffalo and bull. Okay, they have horns. Name the animals which can be seen where? On the trunk. Which animals are seen on the trunk? Squirrel, ants. Okay. Now, animals that can be seen on the branches of the trees. Monkey, ants and sparrow. Now, animals that can be seen around the trees, near the trees. Snakes, cow, ants. Okay, that is seen around the trees. Now, this completes your exercise part. Now it's your homework time. Look here kids, homework. Write the blanks which I have given. Okay. Put right or wrong. And the third one is only the question 7 and question 8. Okay. Write all exercises in your classwork book and your homework part in your homework book. Now it completes your lesson 1. What did Poonam see? Thank you.